Kardong Karbi Anglong, get ready for the inter-MSC football tournament, a celebration of football unity and talent. Labangso tournament kapadoponji ke from 11th of January, lapen opening match ke doji ke between Korkangchi and Mahamaya at Samilangso Mini Stadium. Group stage matches will happen every alternate days from 12th of January. This is going to be really exciting, guys, so make sure you won't miss it. Ilitum aman kedo akke hai Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM the Chief Executive Member Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, alang liphan Choropar Piklo, alang li akeja penajok si Labangso Football Tournament kibi ponchi aphan awar sai kimilong pondo. Along Tina constituency along the matches padoponji allowing our people to cheer for their teams right from their place. After the group stages, the knockout round including the round of 16, quarter-final and semi-final will be held in early February. The grand finale along with the third place playoff will take place during the Karbi Youth Festival. So come, let's be a part of this incredible journey, support our favorite teams and celebrate the love for football. The inter-MSC football tournament is finally here. Let the games begin. Kardong.